Alright, now we're going to put the bottom road wheels on with the suspension. And to do that, we got LS008 right there for the shock. And this is the LS005 screw. And that goes on the bottom there. Let me just get these started. Just like that. And there you go. You screw them in. Just bottom them out. You'll feel they'll just bottom out and then stop, and that's it. You don't do them anymore. Alrighty, it's all finished up, the suspension on both sides. And that's what it looks like. Alright, looks like we gotta do step 13 now, and that's the sprocket road wheel for the gearbox. And they come in a package like this. We have to assemble them with LS009. Where the heck is that? That would be these screws here. And we need 3 on each side, so I need 6 of them. The road wheels press together and you line up the holes, they lock. You put 3 screws in them. Just bottom them out. They're easy to assemble. It's good to have a magnetic screwdriver when you do this. Holds the screws. Alright, that's it for these. Let me do the other one. Alright guys, now we're on step number 14. It's to put the sprockets onto the gearbox here. We need an LS002 screw. And that would be these. And these should slide right on. Just like that. Press them on with your hands. Because they go on, you have to kind of press them on. They're not bottomed out. Then you could put your screw in. Just like that. There we go. Complete. Alright, next we got to put the gearbox into the chassis. It slides right in. And we got 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're the what were they? LS009 screws, these ones here. So let me secure this down. Whoops. It's a real easy build. Anyone could do it. There you have it. Gearbox is in. What's next? Next we gotta put the tracks on. Step 16 and 17 is putting tracks on. And then we'll have to look at the next step. Here's the tracks. Now when you put the tracks on, you want the wider side here with the angled parts. You want the wider side facing the front of the tank. You just gotta kind of like roll these on and turn them as you do it. Just like that. Everything's working. Spin everything, see if it's working. Everything seems to be working. Alright, the next step is the electronics, but I don't have the electronics, so I'm going to go ahead and do the interior next. That would be this bag here. And then the other little bag with the display screen and the steering wheel. You could paint this. I'm just going to put it in really quick to show you. LS9 screws. So that's these again, the little silver ones. And you need 4 of them to put this down into the interior, and 2 of them to hold these components. So the steering wheel goes here. It pops in. And you use one of these screws here, the LS09. And you just tighten it in. Just like that. And then you use another one to put in this display screen, the navigation screen. Where's my screws? Alright, then you use 4 of these again to put the interior in the tank as shown. This goes, there's slots, you could see these little slots, they'll fit right in the front. There's a little slot, and you see how it goes right in like that. Then you put this down right in the holes. Just like that. There it is. Now the next step is we got to put the glass inside the doors, then the roll cages and stuff. So let me get them. Right here's my doors. Let me see if I can find the glass bag. Here's the glass bag. A windshield. And the side, what is that? The side door windows. And this looks like it's probably for the LED lighting bar on the top. Alright, here's the doors, the glass. You just snap them right in, it shows. So let's see how that's gonna go. Alright, you snap them right in like this. And there's one. Now it's got my fingerprints all over the lens. Then you gotta find the right ones for each one. Just like that. And you snap them in. They're tricky to get in. Try putting the point in first. Yeah, that worked. You put the point in first on the window, then it goes right in. Let me do the other one here. I guess we gotta do the roll bars. That's step 22. Let me see if I can find them. Here they are right here in this bag. And then there should be these little side vents. I gotta find these. Alright, I found the side vents. Make sure the top snap is larger and the bottom one is smaller so it pops in right. They're very hard to put in. There we go. Just like that. Now I gotta do the other one. Alright, there they are. Next, the roll cages. Alright, now the roll cages, you push this through the holes there. And then you push the front pegs in. Just like that. Now for the rear, they just go in these slots like this. They push right down in. Alright, I'm going to skip this here and I'm going to go to 24. And what we need to do is screw everything in. And then the glass and everything. And then we need these parts here. Alright, I'm going to screw the roll cages in first. LS011 you need for the front and rear. And that would be these. Should look cool in this green color. You can't see on the film probably, but I also have, I clear coated this body with metallic like mirror flakes. It has like purple ones and green. I mixed it in clear and I sprayed it over the top of the green. So I think it'll look cool. Alright, you just gotta screw these in for the roll bars. The front two here and then these four. Let me do that and I'll show you when it's finished. Alright, that's finished. Now it looks like I gotta put the glass in, the light bar, the LED light strip. Let me see where that is. Here it is right here. The LED bar slides right in place in this slot on the top of the body. Then this gotta go on like this. Just like that. That pops in. And then what else we gotta do here? LS10 screws. Where are those? LS10. Here they are. Two of these little shorties. Hold that piece secure. I know you gotta snap a plastic lens in the front here also. Alright, we gotta get this other clear light lens and pop it in. Angle it down and push. And you feel it pop. Hear it? And that holds the roll bar in the top also. Now we get the windshield. Put that in. I'm going to use two LS11 screws here. These ones. This black bar, but I have to put my other swing door in first. These you just tuck under and shut them. Now this goes in just like that. And it holds in with 3 LSO12. These ones here. This is like the most complex part of the build. Putting in the glass and stuff. That's that. One last piece, this plastic clear piece. You gotta pop it in from the front here. There we go. Looks like it's all done. Anything else here? Nope. Now they're just saying to put the body on. And your electronics and stuff. So I'm not going to use the stock electronics. I'm going to use 2 of those clone 1060 ASEs. I'm going to use a normal radio like I did in my other one. That's it. Looks pretty cool. I thought it would look nice with all the black and the green. So that's it, guys. That's the complete build. Actually looks pretty sweet with the white interior. Take a look, guys. With the green, looks nice with the white interior. So that's the end of my SG-1203 kit build. Came out nice. I think it looks really sweet with the green and black. Let me know what you think about it. Guys, it's been a fun build. If you want to build one, try it out. They're cool tanks. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it as always. Leave me a comment if you can. Be awesome. Hit that bell to see my future videos so you don't miss anything. And I'll see you next time. Shen RC.